साइकिल डायरीज में खिदमत और खुशियों की लम्हों से बुनी कहानियों को आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ।
We have just finished our World Mental Health Day
event.
activities or event per se, and thanks to all Pinky Bajaj.
Pleasure is all mine.
Pinky is the one who was curating this event, making sure that everything was taken care of. बहुत मज़ा आया because ये ऐसी बच्चों के साथ स्कूल की एक्टिविटीज़ मैंने की है, बट इस लेवल पर पहली बार की जहाँ पर मैंने 10th के एक ही दिन में हमने 3 अलग अलग फैकल्टीज़ को कवर किया है और तीनों फैकल्टीज़ को इनकी और सारे टीचर्स इनकी वजह से सारे टीचर्स ने बच्चों को स्टूडेंट्स को प्रिपेयर किया हुआ था। अब उसी सिलसिले में मैं पिंकी से बात करना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि पहले तो हैप्पी वर्ल्ड मेंटल हेल्थ डे टू यू,
To all of us.
टू ऑल ऑफ अस। टेल मी समथिंग, व्हाट मतलब तुम्हें इतना क्या सूझा कि इस तरीके से करना है, और जब तुमने ये सारी चीज़ें प्लान की क्या तुमने सोचा था कि हम ऐसा इतना कुछ कर जाएंगे जब तुम प्लान कर रहे थे?
Okay. Imran, first of all, thank you for coming in. The
Pleasure.
event was fabulous to all the age groups which I wanted to cover.
Thank
10th
you.
grade was amazing, soothing, calming. I could see them managing their emotions in the event itself.
Yes, even I thought.
That was fabulous. The teachers went off, the principal went off, and what you could deliver and impart knowledge. Again, like per se, my agenda was to heal the world.
Yes.
And if we can heal few hearts also, I feel we are like doing justice thing in the society. So therein I invited you, where you as a musician, as a unicyclist, as a counseling psychologist, as a juggler, as a multi-talented person, so wanted to see that your talent is going all over, so let me get into my school. That is how I wanted to make this grand. You know, I wanted to invite a special guest like you and give that, like, if I can heal hearts by one-on-one sessions, by my lectures, you have another way of doing it.
Yes, for sure.
Music therapy works.
It
The
works.
way you talk works. Your talent, your experience definitely, which you imparted your knowledge, you shared your journey, how from where you started, like what we are promoting today, weird is okay,
Weird is cool.
and asking for help is okay, and mental health and physical health both actually stand value. So second event, coming to the college, we going in different classrooms and talking, I could vibe the energy with the students.
Yeah, and
God,
क्या
they
तो-
were like kissing, and maybe they had a crush over you, but also they could understand and relate the dialogue you said, the delivery was apt, the knowledge was apt.
And what was that? What was discussed outside the corridor? when I
Oh
started.
yeah, oh it was like, okay, ये mental health day है. Oh, this guy looks weird. Is Pinky man crazy to do this? पागल को उठा के लिए I was like, now I need to address this. And I was like, okay, so they are not being able to accept weird things to be okay.
Because it's
Yet
societal
it is-
taboo है.
Yet it is like look like a taboo. It is a shame. It is a humiliation. A mistake is not accepted. The punishment is not accepted. Which is the concept I would love to change the perspective.
Failure. Primarily failure is not accepted.
Oh,
That's the
looking
biggest
like
trauma.
this is a failure. Dressing up like this is a failure. So right now also on primary kid, ये झोला पहन के आयो. I said okay, I don't mind. Weird is okay. So yeah, this is what our agenda was. Yeah.
Classroom. We are sitting in a classroom, so that's why I thought let me ask you your school memories. And what did you remember the most? Like what was the fondest? जैसे आज हमने यहाँ किया तो I'm sure कि बच्चों को ये हमेशा याद रहेगा ऐसा कुछ, because वैसे भी इंडिया का अकेला यूनिसाइकिल मोबाइल के साथ है तो याद तो रहेगा।
I can tell you, but in school times, me myself considering, oh, I don't look pretty. Oh, I don't look. My nose is something I need to get it.
प्रॉब्लम यही होता है।
But I think it's our 8 out of 10 children, be it it's a girl, be it it's a boy, all think like this. They're not comfortable in their own skin. Wherein we are trying to at least give them this knowledge, try to accept your flaws and be comfortable. Why we need to think that, oh, it suits my best friend, so I should say things, I should do things. But first, be your own best friend. So if I get this knowledge in school back then, wow, mind blowing. To accept myself, the confidence level, the self-esteem level will go really high. And the best part of today's
Okay.
event is everybody could live their free inner child.
Yes, true.
Even to the principal, to the teacher, to the students, to the youngest lot, to us, definitely. We are already high on life, I should say. But yeah, all
You were
my
drunk.
children.
You were drunk when you were like,
And we could live our free inner child. We could do things. We could do the juggling. We could write our heart out.
yes.
We could actually do those activities and listening to that music, dancing our heart out on Macarena. Oh my God, it was like fun.
ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे आता है, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता। मुझे एक ही चीज़ आती है कि मैं जब भी जहाँ पर भी जाता हूँ, मैं हर चीज़ मज़े से करता हूँ। मुझे ये नहीं फ़र्क पड़ता है कि किसी को पसंद आएगा या नहीं पसंद आएगा। मुझे ये लगता है कि अगर मैं एंजॉय करूँगा तो सारे एंजॉय करेंगे, क्योंकि अगर मैं मुस्कुराऊँगा तो दुनिया मुझसे मुस्कुराती है, और मैं उस वक्त किसी का कुछ नहीं होता। सो लाइक इफ़ यू सी मी सॉ मी टुडे, मैं ना फ़ोन देखता हूँ
Yeah.
और ना मुझे ये एहसास होता है कि मेरी कोई और जिम्मेदारी है। मुझे यही जिम्मेदारी होती है कि ये मेरी ऑडियंस है और मुझे उनको उनके लिए एक एक्सपीरियंस देना है।
True.
जब वो एक्सपीरियंस हो जाता है तब मुझे नॉर्मल रियलाइजेशन शुरू होती है। तो अभी मुझे लग रहा है कि अभी काम खत्म हो गया और
Back to reality.
आपसे बात करना ज़रूरी था। सो थैंक यू पिंकी अगेन।
Thank you, Imran. Thank you,
We
Imran, for
enjoyed
making this event possible. It was really grand, and I think we could deliver what we wanted.
So you know next time you need to send me a visa and ticket, right?
Yes, absolutely. My visa sobo guy.
Okay, guys, this was Inican's World Mental Health Day event with Pinky Bajaj at GV's Guru Nanak School, right?
Yes, GNS GTV.
GNS GTV Guru Nanak School. क्या करना होता है लाइफ में? आपको वीडियो देखना है, पसंद आ गया ठीक है, नहीं पसंद आया फॉरवर्ड करके किसी और का देख लो। ऐसा मत करना प्लीज़, मेहनत करते हैं, इनके लिए देखा करो, बच्चों के लिए देखो, और आपको पता है ना क्या करना है, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब एंड
Absolutely.
कीप स्माइलिंग।
Keep smiling and keep spreading your smiles.
थैंक यू,
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
गॉड ब्लेस।
आप देख रहे